All right, guys, I'm here with
Craft Key. Well, Flip.
So, Patrice is not here today at the Craftabilities, so we're gonna do what good friends do and go through her stuff and make something. So she bought these things from what is it, Five Below?
Five and Below. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Five and Below. So she was like, "Oh, let's make a video one day with them when she's here." So now that she's not here, we are gonna open one and review it. So what do we have? Screen prints,
Ooh.
4 amazing stencils, has a Be Kind, some waves, a spaceship, and yeah, some dragons. Comes with 3 types of, what are those called? Paint?
Yeah, that's the paint for the screen print.
And we're gonna open this up, see what's inside, and make a t-shirt.
All right. So today we're going to open up Patrice's Five and Below item that she purchased, and we would like to unbox and see all the good things that are inside.
So I believe this item retails for $5, hence coming from Five Below.
All right, so let's see what we have here. So as the box indicated, it have 3 different color paints. We have a pink, a blue, and a yellow. Oh, those are pretty
Fancy,
vibrant colors. So this here, I'm assuming is
squeegee type thing.
Squeegee type thing. So I guess to use to smooth out the paint item. Oh, so I guess these are stencils.
Those are the stencils.
Like like a little dragon.
Dragons. Enter the dragon. We got some waves. Turn it to the side. This way. Waves. Dragon.
And Be Kind.
Be Kind.
With the little rainbow.
Okay.
Okay.
So, first thing I want to say is I wish the stencils were just a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
So you know what I think we're gonna do? Why don't we put these on a kid's shirt? Actually, you know what? My niece is in town. We can make her a shirt.
Ooh, now remember now, it was only $5. So you know, you can't expect a whole lot.
I expect a whole lot. So what else more do we have?
All right, so we have the little screen that we're gonna use to put this shirt on, and well, we got another.
We got one more in there.
This is
spaceship.
Okay, let's put that right there. And this is the screen
for the screen print.
Okay, it's pretty decent size. You can get a couple of little, what's it for?
Probably get a couple, 3 shirts, 4 shirts out of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. And instructions, very important. Very
take
important.
These. We don't need them. We're gonna freestyle this whole thing. So, guys, I asked Flip if she knew how to set it up, and she doesn't. And she crumpled up the instructions.
Right, and I said that was the most important piece of this box is the instructions, and you crumple those things up. So, I'm going to...
You're gonna put the screen in between it.
But we should cut this a little bit, so, right?
I say put it... So we don't want to cut too little. So I would put it on and then cut it.
All right.
No, not in the middle.
Yeah. Right. Put this back on.
Boom, tighten it up. Do your thing, girl. We gonna be screen printing in like...
We gonna be screen printers, huh?
In like 5 minutes, we gonna be screen printing.
All right. So now we can cut the screen.
All right. So Flip's gonna go ahead and cut this thing. So cut. Guys, remember to be careful. Don't cut your hands with scissors.
We were supposed to leave a little extra because somebody crumbled up the instructions, so we have to
stop your complaining.
we're winging this thing right now. All right. Screen
All right,
is
and
cut.
guess what, guys? Now that we got everything out, it's thumbnail time. All right, guys, so we just finished setting up for our thumbnail, and we're ready to get started.
All right, so what's next?
So let's find a shirt we're gonna print on. I found this. This is a kid's shirt. It's a little bit too big for my niece, but I guess somebody's gonna get a shirt. And we're gonna decide what stencil we're going to use. So give us 1 second.
Open up the door, instructions and read the instructions.
I didn't do it, it was you. You got confused.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this stencil and then we're going to take out these pieces here.
Comment if you like Kool-Aid jammers. So I think with us removing all those, we can only do the Be Kind as one color, right?
Yes, it's only one color. Okay, so this is how it looks once we've already weeded out all of the excess that needed to be there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tape our stencil onto our mesh right here.
And we have some tape here. I also lent Miss Williams' student some of my tape. Make sure she returns it or I'll go looking for it.
The purpose of taping this down so when we're putting the ink on here, it won't move.
So I was telling Flip, when I was in high school, for 3 out of the 4 years, I actually took a screen printing class.
And who would have known?
We did screen printing, photography, a couple other things. And I still have some of the shirts I made, and it's a pretty long time that I've been out of high school.
Okay.
All right, so Flip centered the shirt. Looks pretty good. And what color do you want to use?
I think we're going to use the blue ink. I think the blue is really popping on that.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pour this ink onto the stencil. I guess I should be using some gloves, but you know, we're just going to go with the flow since it says pours a substantial amount of ink on here. Oh, it's thick. Where do you have this at? It's not even budging.
All right, should I go get a knife?
You're going to have to. It's not, since this ink is a little, you know, hard to come out, we're going to have to use a little knife. Oh, yes, this thing is thick.
They said put a lot on, right?
They said put a lot so that it can. Oh, it's a little loud, stinky too. I think that should be good, right?
I think that's good.
Okay. All right. So now, all right, let's put that on there. All right. So we're gonna take this tool here and
Spread.
spread. Oh. Huh. Look, I done got it all on my hand.
She got them gloves on.
I got the gloves on.
Does the instructions say how long to let it dry?
Oh, you was reading the instructions. Let's see though.
I didn't read no instructions.
Huh. All right.
Okay.
I think I kind of got it on the shirt too.
Well, you done messed up.
I done messed up.
It's all right though.
Oh, this is a trial and error.
Trial and error. All right. Pour it in. You can go ahead and lift it up.
Okay, so we're lifting up the stencil. Oh no.
It didn't stay long enough, probably.
Maybe we didn't stay long enough.
It didn't stay long enough. It
No,
came
it
out,
didn't. We
but
didn't
it
use enough.
Yeah.
It didn't go down enough.
All right, and this is our first try. On the instructions, it states that you might need to try a couple times to get it right.
Mm-hmm.
So, this is our shirt. hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, so this is Flip's creation. Be kind. One of the things I'm gonna say is, I don't think that you pressed hard enough when you were doing it, but I mean,
Right.
it has kind of like a vintage look.
Yeah, it does.
So that is our Five Below kit. How would you rate it?
I will rate this kit a 4.5.
4.5. That's actually pretty high. But the great thing is, since you rated it so high, we have another one right here. I'm gonna wrap it up and give it to Patrice for Christmas.
I would say I did it a 4.5 because it had all of everything in there that you need to know how to screen print. However, the quality of it just didn't come out the way I guess to be expected.
I'm gonna give it a 2.5 because I expected a little more.
For $5?
I mean, because it's kind of a waste. Remember, like the sewing machine?
Okay.
We paid like $5 for it, couldn't even work.
Right. Right.
So
Okay.
I don't like wasting money because I'm poor.
All right.
Subscribe to the channel.
Peace.
And subscribe to Craft
Craft Key.
Later.